Eating right and being healthy is challenging, especially if you've never done it before. If it was never taught, you don't know to do it, then you don't know. But the moment we know better, we gotta do better. Now as I say that, I'm gonna ask y'all not to pass judgment on me, because every now and again I have me some buffalo wings with some blue cheese. I swear to God, I'll be talking to it like, please, I don't wanna do this, but the buffalo wing be talking to me. Monique, I'm real spicy today, and I'm juicy too. So that's why I realize that when people say, oh, if you just do this, you know what I say? Do it the way that you need to do it, but just do it. When you just do it, your body will start telling you, I don't want that. I don't want that every day. I can't take that every day. Your skin will start saying to you, we can't take that anymore. Our body can't have it anymore. And start listening to yourself, because I believe there's 3 of us inside of us, me, myself, and I. Now, I, for me, is the strongest one. But me and myself, they some greedy bitches. And I got to tell them, back up from the cake. You see how I got to tell them? I got to get involved, because me and myself, baby, we gonna do the cheesecakes, buffalo wings, chips, and dips. But I gotta be the stronger one and say, we can't do that to us anymore. So y'all, this is a challenge. It is a challenge, but look at it like this. Do you want to meet your grandchildren? How about your great-grandchildren? How about your great-great-grandchildren? It's possible.